Sometimes I wish that...
What?
I wish I could have that kind of innocence.
If it means anything, sometimes I wish you could too.
I just want to go to sleep, okay?
I remember tears streaming down.
I just wanted you to be a kid.
I'll be better when you wake up. You'll see.
Just for a little while longer.
Promise.
All right, so I'm not back Sunday night.
Call Pastor Jim.
Lock the doors, the windows, close the shades. Most important.
Watch out for Sammy.
The sun is going down.
I know.
All right, something tries to bust in.
Shoot first. Ask questions later.
When I told Dad I was scared of the thing in my closet, he gave me a 45.
What was he supposed to do?
I was 9 years old. He was supposed to say, don't be afraid of the dark.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Are you kidding me? Of course you should be afraid of the dark. You know what's out there.
Yeah, I know, but still, the way we grew up after Mom was killed, and Dad's obsession to find the thing that killed her. But we still haven't found the damn thing.
Don't you dare look out your window, darling, everything's on fire.
You know why you keep a gun under your pillow?
Or outside, our door keeps raging on.
No, you don't. Stay out of my stuff.
Hold on.
And I know why we lay salt on everywhere we go.
No, you don't. Shut up.
Even when the music's gone.
Where'd you get that? That's Dad's. He's gonna kick your ass for reading that.
The monster's real.
What? You're crazy.
Tell me.
The sun is going down. You'll
You'll be fine. If anyone gets you in trouble, you let me know.
But you know what brought me back? You did.
You and me. Call me whatever.
be safe and sound.
There ain't no me if there ain't no you.
I had to look out for you. That's my job.
What do you think my job is?
What?
You saved my life. Over and over.
Monsters are real. Dad fights them. He's fighting them right now.
Just close your eyes.
Dean. Thank you.
You'll be alright.
For always being there, for having my back.
Come on in.
I mean, you sacrifice everything for me. Don't you think I do the same for you?
And sound.
Thought I lost you, man.